Okay, let's play some Subway Surfers. OG game, Subway Surfers. Subway Surfers is OG. OG's no, bro. No, my knee, I mean. My knee is messed up. I need to go get a band-aid. My knee is cut open. I will go to the hospital. Ow, 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 ow. I will go to the hospital in 2 minutes. Yes, I'll go. My knee hurts. It's cut open, you bloody. It hurts. It hurts. It hurts very bad. I'm so good at this game. Y'all don't even ow. Y'all don't even know how good I am at this game. Link. I don't remember how much skateboards I have. I have like 35 at last check, or 24. Oh my, football. Oh my god. Work out. Football. Soccer. Sports team that is not good for kids. Yes. 5 and under. No, 4 and under yet. I'm a fast. Excuse me. They have 34. So I had 35 skateboards and come with this board. Yes, sir. Get another one. Oh, it's a lucky thing I had that board, bro. Oh my god. Link. Using it out. Oh my god! 52,000! Let's go! Didn't have 24 notifications, bro. Anyways, guys, this will be it for today's video. I hope you all enjoyed. Bye.